This is a story about a businessman. There once lived a real estate developer named Hans, who was performing different real estate projects from single-family houses to multi-story apartments, until one day he realized he's totally drained from stress. He had no control over his projects, who were always over budget and late. So he realized he was not only losing money, but time, and also his nerves. But just then, he found LynxCraft. And since then, he's in control. He's doing more projects and more money with far less stress, and therefore, he's happier. I'm Marco, CEO of LynxCraft, and we're helping real estate investors, private or commercial, be happier through a cloud-based platform that automates design, documentation, and supply chain management, reducing costs and time, and with it, make more money for investors and their supply chain partners.